Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Yoton baby monitor. It's a video camera system. Oh yeah, with 2.4 inches digital surveillance camera with sleep mode and night vision option, temperature sensor, and 8 lullabies. Yeah, and on top there is a Vox mode, so you can save energy with the system here. The Jotun Baby Monitor adapts the high quality TFT color LCD display and a 2.4 GHz FHSS wireless transmission, which can be operated and carried easily with only one hand. When the baby is crying, we can find out and communicate with him through the baby monitor at the first time to soothe the baby. We can also play the lullaby to make the baby fall asleep again faster. And this device, using the latest 2.4 GHz FHSS wireless technology. That means we does not need Wi-Fi required. No Wi-Fi is required. This protects our baby's privacy from hackers. It's equipped with an infrared lights and sensors. This video baby monitor automatically turns into black and white night vision when a low light is detected. In the Vox mode, the screen will sleep to save power. Once the sound is detected, it will automatically activate. We won't have to stare at the screen all the time, and we will have more private time to focus on things we love. We set an alert via the baby monitor, remind us to feed the baby or remind us to check if the diaper needs to be changed, etc. The baby monitor has a temperature monitor function, which can help us to monitor the temperature of our baby's room in real time. And it provides a safe and comfortable environment for our baby too. The Jotone baby monitor is undoubtedly the best choice for a new parent. And it comes with a big thing. Yoton has always adhered to the artisan spirit of try our best and making product unlimited, and is committed to become a benchmark for baby monitoring brands. With the missing with the mission of creating more innovative, safer, and more design quality baby monitors, Newton provide us a phone with technology, safe and caring products and services too. And here comes the Jotun baby monitor. It connects with love and make the home to a better place. And 100% protect privacy because of the 2.4 GHz FHSS. No internet, but also we can use it wireless. And infrared night vision. Switch day and night mode automatically. That means we view it clearly all day long and night. No problem. We can mount it on the wall, on tablets, on the table, on the ceiling, where we like. And easy to operate. Step number one is power on the camera. Always, if the camera should work, we have to support it by using the included power cord. Step number two is we select the camera on parent unit. Then step number three, we select the camera register and press OK. And step number four, we press the pair button on the camera system. And step number five, pair successfully. And we enjoy it. Most of the time, this device is already paired, so you only have to do is switch it on, job's done. The capacity of the battery in the handheld is 750 mAh. The screen size is 2.4 inches. The display resolution is 320 to 240. The resolution of the camera is an VGA cam with 640 to 480. And we have 8 awesome lullaby sounds. Awesome. Room temperature included. Alert clock included. Vox mode included. Two-way audio talk included. Night vision included. You can see it is all include what we love and what we need. We can switch between the menus easily by pushing the buttons, okay? For example, we have their night vision functions, music player, intercom function, volume adjustment, and Vox mode settings and Vox sensitivity settings. We can choose. We press the note button to adjust year, month, day, hour, or minute to according our needs. We press up and down to select plus or select minus. The same way is the LCD backlight function. As we like, we can enter the informations and the settings on this device. Of course, we can change the languages too. And then the YB01 monitor, baby monitor, YB01 is ready to use. It's really easy and it makes a good job all day long and all night long. You can capture some informations by the what's going on in the baby's room, in the sleeping room, or where you like, because it is an Wi-Fi network which works, I think, though 10 up to 15 meter in the range is no problem to operate with that. This is the Yoton baby monitor. It's a video camera system with 2.4 inches handheld device. It's a Yoton Digital Surveillance Camera with sleep mode, night vision, and temperature sensor, and 8 awesome lullabies for your baby. And of course the Vox mode for safe battery power. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.